How to remove background in Affinity, free and easy. Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to easily remove a background in Affinity. First, open your image inside Affinity. Select the image layer, then switch to pixel mode. Make sure the options, Continuous and Anti-Alias, are both enabled. Next, choose the Flood Selection tool, then click on the background. Affinity will automatically detect and select the entire background. Press the Delete key to remove it. After that, open the Select menu, choose Select Pixels, then click Deselect to clear the selection. Now go to the File menu, click Exporter, choose PNG, and hit Export. And that's it. Your image now has a clean, transparent background.